Hello guys, today I would like to introduce you to this RC Rover that I made myself. This Rover uses a ESP32 for the main controller and a L293M for the motor driver. It uses 4 Arduino standard driver motors and this 18,000 mAh 7.4 volt LiPo battery. It is controlled by this PS3 controller that is linked via Bluetooth to the ESP32N, and it drives really simple. You just use the analog sticks and it can do turns and stuff. The Rover can run for 40 minutes on a single charge and the maximum range is around 15 meters. It would take you about 2 days to follow the instructions and build one yourself, and the cost will be around $50. I think this would be a great beginner project for you to explore the possibilities of 3D printing and working with microcontrollers. I will link the 3D printing files, instructions, and code in the link below. Thank you guys for watching.